Hello everybody, it's Lo from Custom Creations by Lo. I'm sorry I had to make you wait on the demolding of these wavy coasters. This is part 2 of it. It's going to be a real quick video just because I really can't pour resin or anything yet, so I'm not supposed to lift anything. And so I did want to finish this video and show you the finished, well, the demolded coasters, because I know everybody's been curious. I myself have been super curious about it. So if you didn't see part A, this is the wavy coaster from that I ordered off of laurasartcorner.net, and I've been wanting to demold them. So I did come back into my craft room. It's been about almost 3 weeks since I poured these. What I forgot to do before I had my surgery, once I finished the pour, was to come back in here and clean out my silicone mixer cup. So I'm going to have to find another one that will fit the hand mixer, because it's going to take me a minute to get it all cleaned up. I hate this. I hate that I did that. I don't know what I was thinking. I totally forgot that I had not cleaned it out and hadn't been here in my craft room. So I'll be able to eventually get it cleaned out, but I just didn't want to waste time with that today, because I was impatient for one, and I need to take a shower for another, and my husband does not want me coming up and down the steps without him. So, you know, he's been doing a lot for me, waiting on me hand and foot. So I'm just up here for a little bit, because I told him I needed to finish this video, and I wanted to take a shower, and he's outside in our building hanging some insulation. So I had him bring me upstairs before he went outside. And of course I have my phone with me so that I can let him know when I'm ready to you know, come back down. So anyway, now this is the back of the molds. This one's pretty good. Got a little bit of cleanup here. And on this one, I do have a bubble back here, but I think I can sand it off. I'm more concerned about the front of these and see how it did. I may have to retry this with something else other than these beads, because I don't have any more of those beads that fit in here. I have just a little bit, but not enough. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get these demolded so we can all see what they look like. And what I see so far is not good. I could top coat these, I guess. It looks like this UV resin did not cure all the way through. It's kind of sticky. You can see the mess in my mold, which I hope it didn't damage it, especially from where it's been setting up here. But that's number one. I mean, it looks okay. Not really that happy with it. So let me set that one there, see how this one did. Again, because they are sticky with the UV resin, as you can see the way it came up. Now this one's better. We'll need to clean it up some. It was a thought, you know, it was a thought. let's go ahead and put the UV light on these for a few minutes. My craft office here is in total disaster because from where I was rushing trying to get these done before my surgery. I will try these coasters again, though. I mean, just kind of disappointing, you know. So what I'm going to do is, while that's curing, I am going to pause you, and then I'll come back when they're cured, and we'll figure out what we may or may not do with these. Hold tight. Okay, guys, I'm back. While I was waiting, I did get my cup cleaned out, thankfully. That was a pain. And I also demolded the coasters, which y'all saw. And I had made this little, like, diamond-shaped ball. I don't know. It's pretty. It was a mold that I made. Still have some work to do on it, but isn't that cute? And this is the mold. This is the master that I made the mold from. So I did take the deburring tool around these. I've had them under the UV light pretty much the entire time that I was off camera. Still a little sticky, so I'm not going to do anything to them right now as far as finishing them or doing whatever to them until I get a chance to wash them off with warm soapy water. So, but they, you know, the edges look good. They look, you know, okay. I mean, they could be used, you know, instead of as coasters, they could be used like it's wall hangings or something like that. But again, I haven't totally decided what I wanted to do, but I did want to get this video posted and taken care of so that you're not out there wondering what happened to them. So I will try to get another video going here in the next day or so I can get that posted for you. I've got a bunch of new molds that I got for Christmas. I got a bunch of new flower molds and a few molds that I ordered. Some stuff from Laura's Art Corner, some inks and some other molds and some paste. And I'm waiting on an order from Into Resin to come in. And I also got the Resin Molds Express January New Horizons box. So we'll be looking at that. I know other channels are already posting, you know, what's in the box, etc., which is fine. I didn't watch any of them until I opened my own box because I wanted to be surprised. And so we'll have those molds to make. So we've got a lot of upcoming stuff. So again, these are the molds. The mold was from Laura's artcorner.net. And the other good news is I also got my mold clean. No damage. Yay! So anyway, I'll take a final picture, well, a picture of these. You may see them again in another video, just as a finished creation, because again, I wanted to get this out, not leave you hanging too much. So I hope you all have a wonderful day. And by the way, I've gotten a bunch of new subscribers. Thank you all so much for subscribing to my channel and becoming one of my new friends, because I do consider all of my subscribers friends. I appreciate the time that you spend watching my videos and you know, enjoying them, hopefully. Please do like, share, comment, subscribe, and I'll see y'all on the next one. Bye.